Namaskar, friends. Let's understand an important quality each one of us should develop, should possess, which is punctuality. We should be punctual in whatever we have committed ourselves. It could be meeting a person, it could be attending a lecture in person or online, it could be a learning seminar, it could be going to rest, could be for a meal, whatever it is. Can we be punctual in the right way? Not being fanatic, but being disciplined. Punctuality directly relates to the value you associate to a person, to an experience, to a place, the importance you give to your personal development. So it is essential. It is the right attitude towards life. It makes you disciplined. It helps you to manage your time in the best possible ways, and it also brings the strength of character. So punctuality is an essential quality, and I remember reading this important statement. Don't prioritize what's on your schedule, but schedule your priorities. I repeat, don't prioritize what's on your schedule, but schedule your priorities. When you schedule your priorities, when you get your priorities right, you will understand the importance various experiences play in your role, and possibly it will inspire you to be punctual, not just once in a way, all the time. And you'll find you have less stress, less agitations, and more time to deal with your own activities. Also, identify why you're not being punctual. There could be laziness, there could be lethargy, there could be carelessness. Or observe what is the value you're associating with certain experiences. What is the importance you're giving to certain people? So, the more you understand about yourself, about where you lack certain important qualities, that which is not making you punctual enough, plug those holes. Let us become punctual no matter what it is. I'm telling you, you will develop a character trait in you, and that habit you develop, which is being punctual, will enhance your productivity, your time management, and eventually you will be recognized as a better person. So we become punctual not for anyone else, but for ourselves. It develops yourself in a better way. So, simple but a profound quality, practiced long enough, does wonders to you. Think about it. Namaskar. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. So, and you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness, and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.